Welcome back to the channel, ladies and gentlemen. In this video, I'm going to talk to you about how you can build business credit in 2022. This is going to be one of the fastest ways you can actually get started and start building up your business credit as quickly as possible. So if you're interested in building business credit, make sure that you watch this entire video because I'm going to give you several different resources and it's going to be step by step. Also, if you want to see more videos like this, make sure that you subscribe, hit the bell icon to receive notifications on when I release new videos. I will be releasing videos about business credit, personal credit, and business grants on this channel. So if that interests you, again, subscribe, hit the bell icon, and then click on all notifications so that you can receive all notifications from when I upload. Also, if you would like to learn how to get as much funding for your business as possible, I have a webinar here that you can watch to learn more about business credit and business funding, how to get money for your business, even if you are a startup. Go ahead and check this out after the video. Link will be in the description and in the pinned comments. Okay, so the first thing that you want to do when you get started building up your business credit, you need to make sure that you have your business license. You need to be registered with your Secretary of State. You can easily do that by going up to the office in your local state, or you can do it online on your state's Secretary of State website. It's very easy, very simple. Then you need to get your EIN number from irs.gov. You also will need a virtual business address or an office address. If you have a brick and mortar business, make sure that you have that address in place. If you're not ready to get an actual office just yet, you can also use a virtual office. There are several different websites that offer virtual offices. One of the top companies is Regus. You can use Regus. I'm on their website right now to purchase a virtual office. You'll get a virtual office address from them. Is going to be an address of an actual office building. Now, the difference is you are not going to be able to actually go in the office and use the office space, but you are able to use the address for business purposes. You're able to use the address to get mail sent to that particular address and things like that. Now, they will also, depending on the package that you get, you can also schedule time to be in the office, and they'll charge you like per hour if you want to do meetings and stuff in the office sometimes. Now, the virtual office will have a monthly fee. It's going to be a small monthly fee depending on which package that you get. You will be paying a monthly fee for that virtual office. Now, if you get the very basic package, which is just the business address, you can use the address on official documentation like your LLC or whatever type of business license that you get. Also on all of your business credit applications. You can also get your mail sent there as well. So you're going to put in your city and they're going to show you different locations that you can pick and the different prices. So the lowest that I see for like Los Angeles or the Los Angeles area in California is $65 per month. I believe that's like one of the cheapest prices that I've ever saw for Regus virtual offices. It is going to depend on your city and state. So say for instance, I was to choose this one. I would scroll down and click on continue. Now you're going to choose your particular plan after you select which office you want. Now, if you're just starting off, I would recommend just sticking with the business address where they handle your mail. You can use the address on your applications and things like that. The virtual office plan comes with phone service and workspace access. You also will get a live receptionist. So they'll give you a number that you can use to give out to clients, and the receptionist will answer the phone. Also, you can get workspace access to where you can book hourly meetings and pay an hourly fee, and that will be additional for this plan. So most people will just stick with the basic plan, click on continue, and then you'll choose your agreement length. Now, if you do month to month, it is a little bit higher. If you kind of do like a 6 to 12 month agreement, you'll save more money. Or even if you do the 24 months. Then you're going to choose your plan start date and then click on continue. And then you're going to sign up for your account. So this is a huge tip. I actually recommend that you do this first before you even sign up for your your business license and your EIN and stuff like that, because what's going to happen is when you start building business credit and they go back and check, some of these companies go and look at your Secretary of State filings, your EIN filing, and see if all of your addresses match up. So if you don't have this address first and you put like a home address on your business license, when you sign up for your business license, you're going to have to go back and change that address to your virtual business address or your office address. So I recommend getting the virtual office or your physical office first, and then go register for your LLC or whatever corporation you want to get, and then your EIN number, and then go get your business bank account. Okay, so now you need your business phone number. I recommend going to either RingCentral or Grasshopper and getting a business number. It's pretty cheap to get a business number. It's not very expensive. It's cheaper than actually going to go get a business cell phone, because you'll be paying $100+ a month for having a business cell phone with AT&T, Verizon, or something like that. If you get RingCentral, you can actually get the app, download it onto your phone, and it will act as a second line on your phone. They have apps for your phone, your computer, and stuff like that. So you really don't need to go get another cell phone. And also, if you get a cell phone from AT&T, Verizon, when you put that number on applications, like for example, for the Sam's credit card, you can get denied because they know that it is not a actual business phone number. It's a cell phone number, even though it's a business line or business account that you have with AT&T or whoever. It's still not considered a business phone or phone number. And you also need to have your business phone number listed on the 411 because they check that too. So the most popular plan is the $19.99 plan. You can add up to 20 users. You will have a business phone number, or you can get a toll-free number like a 1-800 number. You get unlimited calls within the US and Canada. You can do text messaging, voicemail to text, team messaging, document sharing. So if you're just starting out, that plan is perfect. Once you do that, you then want to go list your phone number in the 411. You could do that at listyourself.net. Right here where it says individual, personal, or business listings, click here, more info. So what you want to do is you want to do your listing in the 411 directory. You're going to select business and you're going to fill out all that information, and they're going to list your business information in the 411 directory. This is important because, again, a lot of companies, a lot of banks or financial institutions, or even stores that offer credit, lines of credit to businesses and stuff like that, they do check to see if your information is listed in the 411. This is a part of the credibility process, your business credibility process. So I'm giving y'all the sauce in this video. Not a lot of people do this on YouTube. They just give you general information. I'm giving you a lot of information in this video. So share this video with your fellow entrepreneurs to help them out. Also, if you want more in-depth training on business credit, how you can actually get all types of business credit, all types of funding from equipment financing, real estate financing, lines of credit, startup credit cards, vehicle financing. For those of you who like to do Turo, want to do Turo, you can get lines of credit to even furnish an Airbnb. I have training on business credit, more in-depth training on business credit. There is a link in the description. This is just to get you started in this video. But the next step is to actually head over to nav.com. Now, what Nav is, it's kind of like the Credit Karma for business credit. So with Nav, you're going to be able to see your business credit reports. You're going to be able to see your Equifax, your Dun & Bradstreet, and your Experian business credit reports. And they also help you build business credit by adding another trade line onto your business credit reports. So it kind of helps boost your business credit scores. Okay, so let's go over the pricing really quickly. So if you are doing month to month, you can do the free plan if you want to, but it's not going to help you build your business credit, and you're only going to be able to see your Experian business credit profile. Now, in order to get that boost in your business credit, you're going to have to select the middle plan here, at least the middle plan. So the middle plan is $39 per month, or you can do quarterly and pay $119 every quarter. So if you choose the middle plan, which is the business boost plan, you're going to get a lot of stuff. You're going to be able to see your business and personal credit scores. For business, you're going to be able to see Dun & Bradstreet, Experian, Equifax. For personal, you're going to be able to see Experian and TransUnion. You'll also have 24/7 business and personal credit alerts. You have access to a credit specialist. You'll have access to $100 or $1 million in identity theft protection and more. So go ahead and sign up for NAV. You will need to have this even if you just choose the free plan. Okay, so here's another trade line that you can add to your business credit reports to boost your business credit score to help you build up business credit. So eCredible can actually help with business credit and personal credit. But for right now, the Business Lift program from eCredible will report to Dun & Bradstreet, Equifax, Credit Safe, also Ansania, which is a third-party business credit reporting agency that's not as popular. So how this is going to build up your business credit is that it's going to help you report your different bills, like your office lease payment. So if we scroll up here, for example, if you have like a office that you're renting that you pay $2,300 a month for, you can have that reported to your business credit reports as a trade line. You can also do that with your phone, so on and so forth. So essentially, for all the normal payments that you already make, you can have those payments reported to the business credit reporting agencies as trade lines to help build your business credit up. All right, so the last company that I'm going to talk about is Brex. This one is a expense management platform that will help you manage your business expenses. Also, you'll be able to get a card to spend on business expenses. You'll also be able to create virtual business credit cards to use for business expenses like advertising and things like that. You can also shut them off at any time so that you're not being overcharged or you're not overspending. And one of the big things about Brex is that they have rewards. So if you can't get a business credit card from Chase or Bank of America just yet, you'll be able to still get rewards just as if you had those credit cards and be able to purchase flights and different things with those reward points. So you're essentially using this in place of your business debit card for your everyday expenses so that you're able to actually rack up points and save money on things you're already spending money on. And also it will help you build your business credit. They do report to the business credit reporting agencies, and it's very easy to sign up with them as well. Also, if you want to sign up for Brex, I do have a special link that will be in the description where you can get $250 in the form of an Amazon gift card when you spend $1,000 on your Brex card. So if you want to sign up for Brex, go ahead and do that through this link. It is a very simple process. All you're going to do is connect your business bank account. Make sure that you're putting in your correct information as far as your business information, your EIN and all of that. And once you have your account approved, you'll be able to transfer money and use your Brex card, earn points, and then turn those points into flights and things like that. You can also get paid to your Brex account as well. So it's a lot of benefits with Brex. If you want more information about Brex, you can go through these different articles, or I do have another video that I explain like the sign up process and stuff like that. The link for that will be in the description as well. So that's pretty much it for this video. You want to make sure that you set up your business credibly. Make sure that you have your virtual business address. I would do that first and then go get your business license, your EIN number, your phone number, and then start signing up for trade lines like eCredible, Nav. You get the Nav Business Boost if you are really serious about building your business credit. You want that boost to build your business credit the quickest and fastest way. And then sign up for Brex as well. Thank you for watching this video. Make sure that you subscribe, hit the bell icon if you have questions, comment down below, and also share this video with someone who needs this information. Thank you, and I'll see you in the next video.